I'm Bob Anderson, the designer of the JackJaw stake pullers. And if you're watching this video, you tuned in to see how we unbox and assemble a JackJaw 200. When you get it, your box is going to look like this. And basically we would just open it up, staple together. You'll find an operating instruction sheet. What you need to do is to take the parts out of what you'll find is a handle that's wrapped up and the basic unit. And you can discard the box. We'll open up the box, just cut the tape. You'll notice that there is a pack of bolts, two nuts. One is short and one is long. The short one goes into the handle first. Put the handle over a post like this. Put the short bolt in, that, and we'll hand start a nut, and then we'll put the long one goes into the front through the link arms. The second link arm comes up outside the bolt, and we start the nut there. The tools you need for the Model 200 are just two 9/16 rings. Inside one first, grab it and tighten it until it's tight. And the one on the outside, tighten it again until it's tight. When you're done, the unit should move freely like this. The jaws will move up and down. When you raise the handle, the jaw's open. When you drop the handle, the jaw's closed. You are now ready to pull stakes.